Ever wished you could just ask the universe for what you want and actually get it? Well, it's possible. I have seen many videos talking about this, but today I have a unique and more powerful way of doing so. After the end of this video, I want you to apply what you have learned and let me know the results. I'm confident you will get some great results. We must think of the universe like a giant cosmic vending machine. You put in your request, and if you do it right, you'll receive exactly what you asked for. The universe is full of endless possibilities and operates on the law of attraction, where like attracts like. This means if you align your thoughts and feelings with what you want, you can draw those things into your life. The universe will present opportunities, but it's up to you to grab them. So, how can you start this conversation with the universe and make it work for you? Let's learn about the first steps to speak with the universe and attract what you want. When we talk about speaking with the universe to attract what we desire, we're really diving deep into the realm of spirituality and the profound impact it can have on our well-being. This isn't just about making wishes, it's about forming a harmonious connection with the world around us, which in turn can lead to reduced stress, improved health, and a greater sense of happiness. You see, at the core of this philosophy is the belief that we are all made of energy. This isn't just a spiritual idea, but also a scientific one. Everything in the universe, including you and me, vibrates at certain frequencies. When we talk about attracting things from the universe, we're talking about aligning our personal energy with the energy of what we desire. Now, how do we do this? The secret lies in the power of positive thinking and gratitude. Think about it this way. When you're grateful for what you have, you're sending out a signal of contentment and abundance. The universe, in its infinite expanse, responds to these signals. By maintaining a mindset of gratitude and positivity, you're essentially tuning your energy to a frequency that attracts more positives into your life. If you focus on your frustrations or what you lack, you're setting your dial to a frequency of scarcity and dissatisfaction. On the other hand, when you focus on your dreams and maintain a positive outlook, expressing gratitude for the present and optimism for the future, you shift to a frequency of abundance. This shift is crucial because it aligns your energy with the energies of prosperity and success. The law of attraction, a key element of this philosophy, suggests that like attracts like. So, by focusing your thoughts and energies on positive outcomes and maintaining a belief that these outcomes are not only possible, but are already on their way to you, you create the conditions for them to manifest in your life. In practice, speaking with the universe isn't about verbal conversations, but about sending out your intentions through emotional and mental channels. It's about visualization, where you vividly picture your goals as already achieved, and affirmation, where you repeatedly confirm your desires as if they are current realities. It's a form of mental and spiritual alignment that transcends ordinary communication, tapping into the deeper currents of energy that govern our existence. By regularly practicing these techniques, staying mindful of your thoughts, cultivating a grateful heart, and focusing on your goals with unwavering faith, you're not just wishing for things to happen, you're actively drawing them into your orbit, making the act of speaking with the universe a powerful tool for transforming your life. This is the essence of attracting what you want, a dance of energy, focus, and faith that bridges the gap between desire and reality. All right, the next way to speak with the universe and attract what you want is through magnetism. Everything that's ever happened to you, the people you've met, the opportunities that have knocked on your door, the challenges you've faced, they're not just random events. They're reflections of the energy you've been sending out into the world. This idea, often summed up as "you attract what you are," highlights a profound truth about the way we interact with the cosmos. Think of yourself as a magnet. Just like a magnet draws certain metals towards itself, you pull experiences, people, and opportunities toward you through the vibes you emit. If you're exuding positivity, warmth, and openness, you're more likely to attract similar energies and experiences. Conversely, if you're often wrapped in negativity or closed off, you might find that what comes your way mirrors these feelings. But how do you ensure you're emitting the right kind of energy? It starts with self-awareness. Becoming mindful of your thoughts and emotions is key. Pay attention to how you feel throughout the day. Are your thoughts generally positive, or do you often find yourself dwelling on what you lack or what could go wrong? Shifting this mindset isn't just about ignoring the less pleasant aspects of life. It's about acknowledging them, but choosing to focus on what you can do and the positive steps you can take. Building on this, cultivating a genuine sense of love and acceptance for yourself is crucial. Self-compassion fosters a kind of inner peace and contentment that naturally attracts good things. When you love yourself, that love radiates out and touches others, drawing people toward you who resonate with that love. By affirming positive beliefs about yourself and your life each day, you reinforce the quality of your thoughts, which in turn enhances the quality of your energy. Through these practices, you turn your personal energy into a powerful magnet for attracting the life you want. This isn't about controlling every aspect of your life, but about harmonizing your inner world with the outer world to create a flow of experiences that reflect your deepest desires and aspirations. This magnetic approach to life ensures that what you attract is not only what you want, but also what truly resonates with your authentic self. Now, the next way to speak with the universe and attract what you want is through unwavering desire. When you engage with the universe to attract what you desire, the intensity and clarity of your desires are key. Think of your desire as a signal you're sending out into the universe. If this signal is weak or muddled, it's akin to trying to catch a faint radio station. You get mostly static. But when your desire is strong and unwavering, it's like a loud and clear broadcast, unmistakable and powerful. Understanding strong desire isn't about superficially wanting something like a new car or a bigger house just for the sake of having it. It's deeply connecting with the reasons behind your wishes, how these align with your personal values and life's purpose. When a desire is rooted deeply within your core, it resonates more powerfully with the universe. Consider the desire to start a new business. Reflect deeply on why you want this. Is it for financial independence, to make a difference in your community, or to bring innovation to your field? The deeper and more personal your reasons, the stronger and more focused your desire becomes. This strength is what sends a potent signal out to the universe. To cultivate a strong and unwavering desire, start by being crystal clear about what you want. Moreover, keep your focus consistent. Don't allow doubts and negative thoughts to sway you. Reinforce your desires daily through visualization and affirmations, picturing your life as if you've already achieved your goals. Build a strong emotional connection to these goals by feeling the joy, pride, or fulfillment you anticipate. This depth of emotion adds a powerful charge to the energy you emit. Finally, maintain resilience. If progress seems slow, keep your focus and stay positive. The path to manifesting your desires isn't always direct. Trust that the universe is moving in ways you might not immediately see. By ensuring your desires are strong and unyielding, you are actively engaging in a dialogue with the universe, sending out a loud, clear, and persistent message about what you genuinely want to manifest in your life. This isn't merely hopeful thinking. It's about creating the right conditions for your desires to materialize based on a deep and true need for what you're asking. This is how you speak with the universe and attract exactly what you want. All right. The next way to speak with the universe and attract what you want is delicate balance. In the grand scheme of things, the universe operates on a principle of balance, weaving together various forces and elements into a harmonious whole. In the same way, as reflections of the universe, we humans seek balance in our lives. It's a state where everything feels right, where peace and joy are not fleeting moments, but constants in our lives. Achieving this balance is essential if we want to effectively communicate with the universe and attract what we truly desire. Think of life as a finely tuned scale. On one side, you have your work and ambitions, and on the other, your personal well-being and relationships. When one side gets too heavy, the other side lifts and everything feels off-kilter. Maintaining balance doesn't just mean giving equal time to each side. It means ensuring that each aspect of your life complements and supports the others. This holistic balance allows you to send clear, consistent signals to the universe about your desires and intentions. Gratitude and appreciation are the keys to this balance. They aren't just about being thankful for the good things in your life. They are about recognizing the value of every experience and every moment. When you cultivate a deep sense of gratitude, you begin to see the worth in challenges just as much as in victories. This perspective is crucial because it allows you to maintain an equilibrium even when life seems to be throwing you curveballs. Let's say you face a setback at work, an unsuccessful project or a missed opportunity. Instead of letting this tilt your scale towards negativity, you can approach it with appreciation for the lessons learned and gratitude for the chance to grow. This helps maintain your inner balance, preventing despair or frustration from clouding your vision and distorting the signals you send to the universe. Balance also involves embracing the present moment. Often, we're either living in the past, holding on to regrets or nostalgia, or we're reaching for the future, chasing dreams without appreciating where we are now. Finding joy in the present, the warmth of the sun on your face, a conversation with a friend, the taste of your morning coffee is essential for maintaining the balance. It centers your energy and aligns it with the calm, steady frequency of the universe. Practicing daily habits that foster this balance can greatly enhance your ability to communicate with the universe. Now, the next way to speak with the universe and attract what you want is to maintain harmony. Harmony is like the music of the universe, a beautiful symphony made up of all the different forces and elements that exist. When you're in harmony with the universe, life flows smoothly, much like swimming with the current in a vast, tranquil river. This sense of harmony isn't just about feeling good, it's about aligning your life's rhythms with the wider rhythms of the universe, and in doing so, enhancing your ability to communicate with the universe and attract what you desire. To speak with the universe and really connect with its abundant offerings, you need to tap into the law of harmony. This law is about understanding and living in sync not only with yourself, but also with others and the world around you. It's about recognizing that everything and everyone is interconnected, and that your actions reverberate throughout the cosmic web. Imagine life as a dance where every movement, every step you take affects the overall flow. When you move in harmony with the music, the dance feels effortless and beautiful. Similarly, when your actions and thoughts are aligned with the positive forces of the universe, you find that things begin to happen more fluidly. Opportunities come your way, the right people enter your life, and you find yourself able to achieve your desires with less resistance. Living harmoniously means fostering positive relationships with those around you. It involves treating others with kindness, compassion, and respect, understanding that positive interactions create positive energy. This energy then enhances the connection between you and the universe, making it more receptive to your desires. Harmony also extends to your personal well-being. It's about finding balance in your own life between work and rest, giving and receiving, speaking and listening. This balance ensures that you are mentally, emotionally, and physically aligned, which is crucial for sending clear and focused desires into the universe. Moreover, embracing harmony involves appreciating the natural world. Nature is a prime example of harmony in action. Seasons change, tides flow, and life cycles continue in a balanced, orderly fashion. By spending time in nature and learning from its rhythms, you can better align yourself with the flow of life and thus with the universe. Finally, the last thing about how to speak with the universe and attract what you want is through right action. The concept of right action is like planting seeds in a garden. Just as the quality of the seeds you plant affects what grows, the words you speak and the actions you take shape the world around you and influence the experiences you attract into your life. When you choose actions that are kind and just, you sow seeds of positivity that are likely to grow into fulfilling, joyful experiences. This principle is fundamental when learning to speak with the universe and attract what you desire. Right action means doing things that are not only good for you, but also good for others. It's about behaving towards others as you would wish they behaved towards you. This could be as simple as speaking kindly, offering help without being asked, or being considerate of others' feelings. When you act in this way, you send out positive energy into the universe, which in return brings more positivity into your life. Consider this: when you smile at someone, most often they smile back. This is a small example of how positive actions replicate themselves. On a broader scale, if you are consistently supportive and positive towards the people in your life, you'll find that support and positivity coming back to you in various forms, sometimes from the most unexpected sources. This reciprocity is the universe responding to the energies you've put forth. Focusing on right action also means being mindful of your intentions. Why are you doing what you're doing? If your actions are driven by self-interest or deceit, even if they seem right on the surface, they might not lead to the positive outcomes you hope for. Genuine actions, those done without expecting something in return, resonate more powerfully with the universe's inherent balance and justice. Moreover, practicing right action involves recognizing the impact of your actions on the world around you. It's understanding that every action has a consequence, and when you choose actions that contribute positively to the world, you align yourself with the universe's broader rhythms of growth and harmony. This alignment enhances your ability to attract what you truly desire, not just fleeting wants, but deep, meaningful aspirations that benefit not just yourself, but also others around you. Thus, to speak effectively with the universe and attract what you want, it's crucial to focus on right action, acting rightly and kindly in all circumstances. This builds a foundation of positive energy that not only improves your own life, but also makes the world around you a better place. And that was how you can speak with the universe and attract what you want. What do you think of today's video? Tell us your views in the comment section. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, best wishes.